One of the things that makes Strongdor different is that all of our door leaves are of welded construction for the highest strength possible, as opposed to riveting or bonding. We have 3 forms of welding in-house: MIG welding, of which we have a team of skilled, qualified MIG welders who weld the internal strengtheners in the door leaves. We also have spot welding and cold welding. Our cold welder charges the electricity supply up to 2000 volts to create a powerful weld with no need for grinding. This means we protect the integrity of the coated surface from rust.